Administrative Divisions of Zimbabwe. Pay attention, you will learn something from this video. All right, Zimbabwe is a landlocked country in Southern Africa. Zimbabwe has a population of 17.2 million people with a landmass of 386,000 square kilometers. Zimbabwe gained independence from Britain in 1980. All right, let's consider the administrative divisions of Zimbabwe. This is Zimbabwe, right? Zimbabwe is divided into 10 provinces. 10 provinces. These 10 provinces are further divided into 59 districts. These 59 districts are further divided into 1,200 wards. This is the administrative, you can as well call it political, divisions of Zimbabwe. All right, Zimbabwe, you know, is a unitary state where the powers and the authority lies on the central government. Each of the provinces is governed by Minister of State for Provincial Affairs. Minister of State for Provincial Affairs, appointed by the President. It is the President that appoints the Minister of State for Provincial Affairs, who oversees each of the provinces. So since they have 10 provinces, they have 10 Minister of State for Provincial Affairs. No election, appointed directly by the President. Are you following? All right. On the districts, who manages the district depends on two things. The district is divided into rural districts and urban districts. The rural district is managed by rural district councils. The urban district is managed by municipal district councils or city district councils. That is how governance is at the district levels. All right. At the ward levels, the wards are managed by councillors. They are managed by elected councillors. All right. So at the provincial level, we have the Minister of State for Provincial Affairs. At the district level, we have the Rural District Council or Municipal District Council or City District Council, depending if it is a rural district or urban district. At the ward level, we have the councillors elected to manage the wards. So this is the administrative division of Zimbabwe. Don't forget that Zimbabwe is a unitary state. As a matter of fact, 166 out of 193 members of the United Nations are unitary states and not federal. All right, so if you have any question about administrative divisions of Zimbabwe, drop in the comment section. I trust you have learned something from this video. Bye for now.